Other news tonight, abortion rights advocates are continuing to fight to get abortion access back in Texas. It's been about 2 weeks since the state's trigger law went into effect, which bans nearly all abortions in the state. Right now, providers can be charged with a felony for offering care.
Advocates are turning to the courts to help to restore access. Janelle Bluta has more on the lawsuit.
That lawsuit was filed in the same week that the Texas trigger ban took effect. Those behind it are hoping it will allow them to continue their main mission of funding abortions.
More than 500 miles from Houston, New Mexico has become a destination for Texas women seeking abortion. But the help to get there is now much harder to find.
Lilith Fund and Texas Equal Access Fund were forced to pause our direct funding of abortion care because of the threats that we've been receiving.
Anna Rodriguez is the campaign's director for both the Lilith Fund and Texas Equal Access Fund. Before the Supreme Court decision came down in June, both groups were providing financial support to help Texas women seek an abortion. Today, they've stopped all funding.
Essentially, they're saying that they can use these laws to criminalize anyone who helps a Texan access abortion care, even if that means helping them pay for their procedure out of the state.
But they're hoping a new lawsuit can give them some protection.
We're not able to do what some of our core basic mission is.
A number of funds are suing Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton and other Texas prosecutors, hoping they'll get a court to declare the trigger ban cannot be enforced in a manner that violates their rights to freely travel, freely associate, freely speak, and freely support members of their communities through financial assistance.
It's about protecting our right to free speech, free association, and our right to travel across states.
And abortion access out of state may become more abundant, at least in New Mexico. Last week, New Mexico Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham signed an executive order directing $10 million for a new abortion clinic in Doña Ana County, which borders El Paso. But traveling there can add up, which is why Rodriguez, along with several other funds, hope they can resume services as soon as possible.
We want to be here for the people who need us, and we hope that the courts will be on our side so that we can do that.
We have reached out to Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton for a comment on the lawsuit. We're still waiting to hear back. Back to you.
We'll pick it up from here. Thank you. Let's